Hello dear students, how are you? In last lecture we discussed about the basic proportionality theorem, its converse and application of basic proportionality theorem, that is the angle bisector theorem, and uh, properties of three parallel lines. Okay, today taking the question based upon these theorems. हम आज ले रहे हैं एंगल बाइसेक्टर प्रॉपर्टी पे क्वेश्चंस लेंगे, हम बीपीटी पे क्वेश्चंस लेंगे, बीपीटी के कन्वर्स पे क्वेश्चंस लेंगे, प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ थ्री पैरेलल लाइंस पे क्वेश्चन लेंगे. इन शॉर्ट आई एम टेकिंग द रिवीजन ऑफ दिस फोर theorems. Okay, what is the BPT? BPT says that if a line is parallel to one side of triangle, we have to draw the triangle. Suppose I am taking this is the triangle ABC. Line L is parallel to side BC. Is parallel to side BC, and it intersects the other two sides into distinct point. The points are the P and Q. Then it divides line in proportion. Proportion का मतलब है AP upon PB. AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC. So in short, you can say if L is parallel to BC, then AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC by basic proportionality theorem. Then what the its converse? If AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC, then L is parallel to the BC. ये converse हो गया. Then we are going toward the angle bisector property. Angle bisector property says that in a triangle, in triangle ABC, if I am taking BD is the bisector of angle B. In a triangle, the angle bisector divide the opposite side. Opposite side of angle ABC is the AC in the ratio of remaining two sides, means AD upon DC. AD upon DC is equals to, we get the AB upon BC. Is that clear? And then third one, अब इसका कन्वर्स क्या है? If AD upon DC is equals to AB upon BC, then BD is the bisector of angle ABC. That is the converse of angle bisector property. Next one, if three lines are parallel to each other, suppose we taking line L is parallel to M is parallel to N, and transversal X intersect them in points A, B, C, and transversal Y in points P, Q, R, then the ratios of intercepts are equal. That is the AB upon BC is equals to PQ upon QR. ये सब हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में प्रूव किया था. मीन्स अब तक हमने ये प्रूव किया. Now today we taking the lectures based upon these theorems. Okay, let us start lecture. It is based upon the practice set 1.2. So take the practice set 1.2 of similarity chapter. Okay, right. So we have to solve the first two questions. First two questions आपको solve करने. Then from third we taking here. We have to solve the first two questions. Third question of practice set 1.2. Third question. Okay. In triangle MNP, NQ is bisector of angle N. NQ is the bisector of angle N. Draw the figure. आप मेरे साथ ही फिगर ड्रॉ करेंगे. In triangle MNP, NQ is bisector. NQ is bisector of angle N. Length of MN is given. It is 5. Length of NP, PN is this 7. Length of MQ, that is 2.5. From that we have to find the length of QP. Okay. I know in a triangle, the angle bisector divide the opposite side in the ratio of remaining two sides. So NQ divide the side MP in the ratio of MN and PN. That ratios are MQ upon QP is equals to Mn upon Pn. Okay. So in triangle MNP, we are taking the triangle MNP. In triangle MNP, ray NQ is bisector of angle. Is bisector of angle N. It is given. It is given. Ray NQ is the bisector of angle N. Then it divide the opposite side, that is MQ upon QP. MQ upon QP is equals to, in the ratio of remaining two sides, that is the MN upon NP, FPN. Reason, angle bisector property. क्या reason है? Angle bisector property. Angle bisector property of a triangle. Okay. So put the value which you know. MQ दिया है, correct? It is 2.5 upon QP हमें find करना है. We have to find the QP is equals to MN is given as a 5 and PN is given as a 7. Then by cross multiplication we get the 2.5 into 7 is equals to QP into 5. So you get the QP is equals to, okay, 2.5 into 7 upon 5. Are you got it? So we get that it is 7 upon 2.5 का डबल 5 है, इसका मतलब 7/2 आ गया. 7/2 का हाफ क्या है? 3.5. Hence you get the QP is equals to 3.5 units. Got it? Write it please. Take the next one. Then we take in the next fourth ligament. Fourth one question. फोर्थ में भी वही करना है हमको. AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC प्रूव करना है from the given figure. First of all we have to draw the figure. Figure draw करेंगे. Draw the triangle ABC in which this is the triangle ABC where PQ दिया है. What is the measure of angle Q? Angle P 60 degree है, angle B 60 degree है. From that we have to prove the AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC. So we have to write here first of all to prove AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC. ये prove करना है. Okay. When you say AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC, correct. But if you say PQ is parallel to BC, then by BPT we get the AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC. तो हमको पहले प्रूव करना पड़ेगा PQ is parallel to BC. PQ is parallel to BC. उसको प्रूव करेंगे पहले. So we are taking the proof. Okay. In triangle ABC, what is the measure of angle P? That is the angle APB is congruent to angle ABC. Yeah, you can say that it is 60 degree. Angle ABC is also 60 degree. Reason given. If the measure of these two angles are the 60 degree, then they are congruent to each other. Therefore, angle APB is congruent to angle APQ. Sorry, it is APQ. Angle APQ is congruent to angle ABC. Okay, got it? If these two are, if you observe these two angles, they are the corresponding angles. कैसे angles है वो? Corresponding angles. If corresponding angles are congruent, lines are parallel. Therefore, PQ is parallel to BC. We get the PQ is parallel to line PQ is parallel to side BC. Reason corresponding angles test. If lines are parallel, then the corresponding, if corresponding angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. Okay, so PQ is parallel to BC. Are you got it? So we take in the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, line PQ is parallel to side BC. Just to prove it. Okay, if a line is parallel to side of a triangle, then by BPT it divides the remaining two sides in equal ratios. That ratios are AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC. AQ upon QC. Reason basic proportionality theorem, that is called as a BPT. Hence we prove that AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC. Are you got it? Write it please. Then take the third one. Means actually the fifth question. Today's third question. In practice it is fifth question. Okay. In fifth question, they use the trapezium, and in that AB is parallel to PQ is parallel to DC. Then we have to find the BQ. Length of three sides are given. Then from that we have to find the segment BQ. Use करना है हमको property of three parallel lines. Ratios of intercepts are same. We know it. Okay. Take the fifth one. Draw the figure simultaneously. आपको मैं नोट भी दिए PDF पे. ओके, और आपके पास हार्ड बुक्स भी होंगे. मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट के पास बुक की कॉपी होंगे. इफ इट इज नॉट फॉर दैट आई एम टेकिंग द फिगर, उसके लिए फिगर ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. बहुत इजी है. प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.2 हम जो आज लेने वाले हैं बहुत इजी है. इट्स वेरी वेरी सिंपल. ओके, होप सो कि आप एंजॉय करते होंगे. ट्रेपेजियम ABCD में AB पैरेलल है CD को. AB पैरेलल है CD को, and then taking the one more line PQ is parallel to the parallel lines. Means AB is parallel to PQ is parallel to DC. Okay. So we take it directly. Side AB is parallel to side PQ is parallel to side DC. It is given. Then we have to use property of three parallel lines. Okay. तो कौन सा सेगमेंट दिया है? AP दिया है, PD दिया है, QC दिया है. From that we have to find the BQ. AP is given, PD is given, QC is given. We have to find the BQ. By property of three parallel lines, you get the ratio of intercepts are equal AP upon PD. Therefore, we get the AP upon PD is equals to BQ upon QC. Property of three parallel lines. Property of three parallel lines. Property of three parallel lines. Okay. What is the length of AP? AP कितना है? Correct. 15. Upon PD कितना है? 12 is equals to BQ upon QC is given there. What is the length of QC? 14. From that we have to find the BQ. Okay. Then by simplification, it is 5 by 4. 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12 is equals to BQ upon 14. Then by cross multiplication, BQ is equals to 5 into 14 upon 4. Okay, 14 pies are 70. 70 upon 4. So you get the BQ is equals to, okay, 4 ones are 4, remains 3, 4 sevens are 28, remains 5, 2, taking 0, okay, pies are 20 units. What is the length of BQ? BQ is equals to 17.5 units. Are you got it? Right, please. Then sixth question. समझ रहे हैं आपको? बहुत easy है. That's why I'm not taking the too much explanation. Next lecture में proofs है. तो वहाँ पे interesting explanation है. वहाँ पे हम थोड़ा extra time लेंगे. These are the very simple questions. That's why I'm taking fast. Seventh question. Again, by using the figure QP in the given information. Okay. तो हमको क्या करना है? बाइसेक्टर यूज करके, प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एंगल बाइसेक्टर यूज करके QP फाइंड करना है. प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एंगल बाइसेक्टर यूज करके QP फाइंड करना है फ्रॉम द गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Again, draw the figure. In triangle MNP. Triangle MNP. NQ is bisector of angle M. Length of MN is given. That is the information they said. MN 25, NP 40 है. Okay, MQ 14 है. From that we have to find QP by using this information. अब simply है. It indicate that NQ is bisector of angle M, MNP. अगर bisector है तो क्या यूज करेंगे आप? Property of angle bisector. बहुत easy है. So you taking the solution in triangle MNP. In triangle MNP. Listen carefully. In triangle MNP, ray NQ is bisector of angle MNP. Is bisector of which angle? Of angle MNP. Is bisector of angle MNP. It is given. It is the bisector of angle MNP. Then by property of angle bisector, sorry, it divides the opposite side in the ratio of remaining two sides. That sides are MQ upon QP. Therefore, by property, we get the MQ upon QP is equals to MN upon NP. MN upon NP is a property of angle bisector of a triangle. Property of angle bisector of a triangle. Of a triangle. Got it? Okay. So what is MQ? MQ का लेंथ कितना है? 14 upon QP we have to find it is equals to MN का लेंथ 25 upon NP का लेंथ कितना है? 40. Simplified. 14 upon QP is equals to 25 upon 40 है तो 5 के टेबल में आते 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40. Then by cross multiplication we get the, therefore QP is equals to 14 into 8, 14 into 8 upon 5. Are you got it? So 14 8s are, इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे 14 8s are, नहीं आता क्या? 14 8s are, बताओ जल्दी. Okay, it is 112 upon 5. Okay, then QP is equals to QP. Most of the students को अभी तक टेबल ही लर्न है. Okay, 14 8s are 112 upon 5. Then 5 2s are 10. Remains 1. 5 2s are 10. Remains 2.4. 22.4 units. Is it? Right, it carefully. Okay. Take the next one question. QP का लेंथ आ गया 22.4 units. Take the next. Question number 7. बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है आज, टोटली डायरेक्ट एप्लीकेशन है. एक तो एंगल बाइसेक्टर प्रॉपर्टी, बीपीटी या प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ थ्री पैरेलल लाइंस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में एप्लीकेशन है प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ थ्री पैरेलल लाइंस. मैं फिगर ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ, अगर किसके पास बुक नहीं है तो वो फिगर से कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो टेक द 7th वन. AB is parallel to CD is parallel to FE and two transversals are given. AB is parallel to CD is parallel to FE. AB is parallel to CD is parallel to FE. Okay. Length from the given figure we have to find the value of x. BD का लेंथ दिया है. Okay, यहाँ पे B है. ऐसा दिया है. AB is parallel to CD is parallel to FE. Okay. BD का लेंथ है 8. FD का लेंथ है 4. AC का लेंथ है 12. We have to find the x means C. Or you know, if three lines are parallel to each other, the ratio of intercepts are equal. That is BD upon BE is equals to AC upon C. From that we can find out the x. Are you got it? So take AB is parallel to CD is parallel to EF. It is given. ये दिया. AB is parallel to CD is parallel to EF. If three lines are parallel, the ratio of intercepts are equal. That is BD upon DE, DF. Therefore, we get the BD upon DF is equals to AC upon CE. AC upon CE. Reason, property of three parallel lines. Property of three parallel lines. Property of three parallel lines. Therefore, what is the length of BD? 8 upon DF का लेंथ कितना है? 4 is equals to AC is 12 upon X. Okay, by simplification you get the 2 by 1 is equals to 12 upon X. By cross multiplication, X is equals to 12 upon 2. What is the value of X? 6 units. X is equals to 6 units. मैंने बोला था बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, डायरेक्ट एप्लीकेशन. ओके, बट आप इसको फिर से एक बार प्रैक्टिस करो. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 क्वेश्चन लेंगे. Right. Question number 8. Again, it is based upon the angle bisector property of a triangle. Angle bisector property use करना है. Okay. Question number 8. In triangle element, draw the triangle element. In triangle LMN. Okay. MT is bisector. क्या bisector है? MT is the bisector of angle LML. Okay. From that, we have to find the LT. Here, LM is given as a 6. mn का लेंथ कितना है 10, tn का लेंथ कितना है 8. From that we have to find the lt. Again directly find करना है इसको. So we take in triangle LMN. This triangle we taking LMN. Ray MT is bisector of angle LMN. किसका बाइसेक्टर हो एंगल LMN. It is given. In a triangle, the angle bisector divide the opposite side in the ratio of remaining two sides. So that ratios are LT upon TN. LT upon TN is equals to LM upon MN. Upon MN, reason angle bisector property of a triangle. क्या रीजन है एंगल बाइसेक्टर प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ए ट्राइंगल. आर यू गॉट इट? क्या रीजन है एंगल बाइसेक्टर प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ए ट्राइंगल. ओके, सो पुट द वैल्यू व्हिच यू नो. द गिव्स आई थिंक LT का फाइंड करना है हमको. दैट इज आवर टारगेट. ओके, LT वी हैव टू फाइंड. TN इज गिवन एज 8 is equals to LN का लेंथ कितना दिया है 6, MN का लेंथ 10. बस वैल्यू पुट अप करना है और सॉल्व करना है. देन बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन यू गेट द LT is equals to okay 8 6 are 48 upon 10. So you get the LT is equals to या यहाँ पे आप ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं 6 into 8 और you know it is 48. 48 upon 10 is 4.8 units. Got it? Write it carefully. Okay. Remaining questions we will see in next lecture. इस क्वेश्चंस को आप प्रैक्टिस करो. बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम का प्रूफ फिर से स्टडी करो. Write it properly. It's proof. In next lecture, we'll take in the onwards question. Okay? Thank you. Have a good day.